don't give a So just like turn his music off now. I'm like, I don't give a if he telling or not. Because to me, he been whatever he was.
You knew he was going to tell them. Like,
I don't care.
It's not a surprise that
Nobody talk all that shit, man. Talk all that shit. I'm talking about all these rappers and all these fake gangsters, man. You go to the feds for Rico, and they offer you 20 years, and you're a millionaire. You're telling.
All right.
You know what I'm saying?
Can you still be a rapper after that?
Yeah, that gonna still be a rapper. They still play his music now. Mm-hmm. I don't want no problem with him now. Come home and troll me. I'm out the game again. I can't.
He ain't coming home no time soon.
Listen, man, he come home about 2 years. You ain't getting no time for that. He might could come home in a year. You know what I'm saying? If you corroborate when they debrief you, you cop out to all of your charges, you can come home in 6 months, halfway house. I don't give a